In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconnect your YouTube stream to your LiveCam purchased from CCTV Camera World. If you haven't already, you'll need to first add the camera to our SmartPSS software using its serial number, or what we call the P2P or QR code. It's basically the serial number of the camera. So first, you can do this on the network, locally or over the internet. It does not matter, as long as your camera has proper internet access and it's been connected to P2P services so that it can be logged into using our phone app using its QR code. And now we're going to show you basically how to add it to the PC software so you can actually then connect to the camera. To begin the process, I'm going to show you how to open up SmartPSS. First, you go to your Start menu and open up SmartPSS. Once you're in the program, click on the plus sign on the top and then go into Devices. You're going to add the camera as a new device. You'll need to have your serial number or P2P code, which are both one and the same, for the camera you want to connect to. Then you can name it something and then put in its username and password. The username is usually always admin, and the password can be found on the box of the camera, or if you're unsure, you can email us and we can remind you what the default password was. It's also listed in one of our other guides. Just for security, I'm not listing it in this video. So the things I filled in was just gave it an arbitrary name. I selected the method to add as serial number. I put in the serial number of my camera, which is connected to the internet. It's actually thousands of miles away from me at the moment while I'm making this video. The group name, I left it as default. Username is admin always. And then so leave it as admin, all lowercase, and the password is the correct password. Make sure you're typing it in correctly. Once you've entered that information, you'll see the listing for the camera as such. If you are in a hurry, you can click this, manually log in, to make it log in. And while I was explaining this, it actually automatically did so. Now what I need to do is go into the camera's web interface to reconnect it to my YouTube stream. So when you have network disconnects, your live camera will probably disconnect automatically and will not reconnect to the YouTube live stream because YouTube has certain security features where you have to manually reconnect the stream. So go into, again, what I did was I went to plus and clicked on Device Config. Click on my camera. Wait for this to be highlighted. Depending on your internet connection at the camera and where you're at, it will vary, but I click on Link to Web. If you don't see a browser by this time pop up, you can change the mode of the window from maximize to normal. In the background, it actually popped up my Internet Explorer window. So if I wasn't maximized, this is what would happen. Once I click the link to web, after a few seconds, a web window will pop up in the background. And it's actually talking to the camera now over the internet. As long as you have good internet at the camera and where you're doing this from on your computer, you'll be able to actually load video from the camera as well. For this demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how to re-enable the stream and how easy it is. This is the view that we have on this particular camera. So go into Settings, then go into Network, and then Access Platform, and make sure you go into RTMP. What you will do is you will disable it by unchecking this box, hit Save. This Save Succeed message will appear. Then check it again to enable it and hit Save. It will give you this prompt, click OK. Wait for this message to appear. And now your YouTube stream should reconnect. So basically what this does is the camera is sending data again to YouTube, and this reconnects the camera to YouTube once the feed drops. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.